Good evening, friend. Today's date is 2nd October 2021, and today's topic is abstract. Before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Amge. I am from Latur. I have completed my electrical engineering in 2017 from Jil College of Engineering, Pune. So my hobbies are playing cricket and 5 members in my family, including me. So start the today's topic, abstraction. So the class which is declared with abstract keyword, which is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Abstract and non-abstract method. Before starting abstract class, some let me let me introduce some abstraction in Java. So abstraction is a process to hiding implementation and shows hiding implementation and shows only functionality to the end user. Another way to it is shows essential things and hide internal details to the user. The best real time example is a sending message. So if you text and send a message, we don't know about internal details to the to deliver the message. Another example is a car. So if you driving a car and we don't know about internal details about engine, how to work it. These are the real time example of the abstraction. There are two way in Java to achieve abstraction. First one is a abstract class, and second one is a interface. So abstract class. So abstract class, which the class which is declared with the abstract keyword, which is known as abstract class. It contains abstract method or non-abstract method. The what is mean by abstract method? The method which does not have body, which is known as abstract method. Means we cannot write a logic inside that body. Means it does not have a body. That's why it's abstract method. Abstract method. And it's the keyword which is used abstract, which is known as, that's why we it's abstract class. So it extended a class which is extended and implement the methods, and we cannot create an object of the abstract class. And the class the abstract class which is a keyword which abstract. And the in the class which is have abstract in the class which is a abstract method, then the class must be abstract class. But the class which is the abstract class it cannot it can be abstract method or not abstract method. So it also contains a constructor and a static method. Also it also contains a final method which is does not change any subclass to that method. So the example of the abstract class is, suppose the class bike is an abstract class. It contains only abstract method run, and it's implement another class which is implement this method is Honda class, which is implement the run method by run method. And another example is abstract class is suppose a bank is a abstract class, and which is contains runnable which contains abstract method which is rate of interest method, which is abstract method. And some another class which is some SBI bank, which is implement this class and implement this method rate of interest, and show and implement this method by using extend keyword to implement is by using implements and it also contains data member, static, non-static. It also contains data member, constructor, abstract, non-abstract method. Also even main method also contains in abstract class. So the basically different between interface and abstract class. The class which has static and non-static, abstract and non-abstract method, and in abstract class, in interface only abstract method is available. It abstract class cannot be support multiple inheritance. Interface support multiple inheritance, and the class which is declared with abstract keyword, which is abstract keyword, which is known as abstract class. The interface interface which is use interface keyword, and abstract can achieve abstract class can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction, and interface can achieve 100% abstraction. So the private and protected class is a class member in abstract, and in interface by default public is a class member, and in abstract class static, non-static, final or non-final variable available in variable is in abstract class. In implement in interface it is a static, private and final member only available, and these are the small introduction, small information or introduction about abstract in Java. Thank you.